Can you believe I can't? Happy New Year. It's already January 2026. Who would have ever thought that we would have lived this long, Teresa?
Thanks, Bobby.
We're gonna make a kale Caesar salad because I've eaten all of the cakes and cookies and pies and casseroles and heavy fattening stuff that I can stand. So we're gonna make a delicious, wonderful, easy kale Caesar salad. And I'm starting out with some olive oil in the skillet and a couple of, not a couple, 3 anchovy fillets. We're gonna make a wonderful base for our salad here. So the olive oil and the fillets, get that going. And we're gonna cook this until those fillets sort of really break up and sort of disintegrate for us. And then we will add to it, that's nice and hot. We'll add to it some panko breadcrumbs, a little bit of garlic. And this is gonna be a wonderful base for our kale Caesar. I really like kale. Do you like kale?
I do.
Yeah. Eddie, do you like kale?
Yeah.
It can be, me too. It can, you know, I think people kind of frown on it because it can be bitter, but
I like it.
I do too. I'm with you on that. And I like to add some citrus to it, some either some lemon zest or lemon juice, and it really makes it a lot easier to enjoy. Knocks out a little bit of that bitterness. And of course, some nice chunky salt also goes a long way. Okay, so there we go. Our anchovies are doing exactly what I was hoping they would do. They've broken up and they're sort of just disappearing into our olive oil. So we'll add to that our panko. I'll turn this down to very low now that I've done what I needed to do with the anchovies. Our olive oil and a little bit of cloved garlic, 1 clove of, minced garlic. And this is gonna be a really, really nice base for our kale Caesar salad. Well, kale salad. Hey, people, what's happening, man? I'm making you a salad. Happy New Year, by the way. Can you believe it's 2026? I can't. Yes, a salad, people.
A fried salad.
Kale. It's not fried.
Okay.
But thank you.
You like?
If you want to help me, get over there and do those dish. Captain. Yeah, we've got, do you like anchovy fillets?
Oh, I do.
Yeah, you're a man of the sea.
See?
I know you'll eat anything out of the sea, especially the spicy. People is a spice guy.
See?
Well, this is anchovy fillets and a little bit of olive oil, some panko breadcrumbs, a little garlic. It's gonna make for a nice base for our kale Caesar. You see that beautiful kale we got over there, Mike? Pull you up a chair, man. We'll cure what ails you.
It's probably headed to work.
No, I already went to work this morning.
Oh, you already worked today?
3 o'clock this morning.
3 o'clock in the morning. A little bit of salt and pepper. Panko's getting nice and brown and toasty. This is giving off a really, really nice aroma too, so doing exactly as I had planned. The olive oil and anchovy fillets and panko just smells wonderful. All right, so I've got a beautiful salad dish here, and I'm gonna take my other clove of garlic and I'm just gonna rub it around the base of the salad bowl. Sort of just impart that flavor of garlic onto the bowl. And then to that, we're gonna add lemon juice and zest. A little olive oil. Nice. Very nice. Got our tail. I think we can take a little more kale. The thing about kale is it's often it's really like stemmy. It almost is like collards or some sort of a green. It's real stout and sturdy. It's got those big stems, and you have to cut the stems out. But other than that, it's real easy. They even sell bags of it pre-cut. I don't know, maybe you've seen it, but they sell it in my local grocery store. Pre-cut, I'll go in there and just buy a big bag of it and make kale salads all the time with different types of, usually I'll add some type of protein to it, but Claudia's got a nice garden at our house, so we often have fresh tomatoes and cucumbers back there. And, you know, there's just something about having a big bowl of greens every once in a while that's just really, really good for you. So we'll add to that some Parmesan. Looks good already and smells wonderful. Great. A little more Parmesan if we want to come back to that, we can add. And right over the top. Beautiful. Really nice, really simple.
So good.
Doesn't it smell nice? Really nice, really simple. Just sort of an easy way to elevate a salad. So if you're having some people come over, if you just want to make something nice for your spouse or for, you know, whomever, that is a really nice looking, simple, but elegant Kale Caesar salad. And it's very light. And I think and hope that you'll enjoy it. So make one at home.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.